Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to set Digit savings transfers on weekends. You want Digit to continue saving for you even on weekends. Here's how you can manage your settings to keep your savings on track every day of the week. First thing you got to do is open the Digit app. So launch Digit on your phone and go to your account settings or the specific saving goal that you want to manage. There you can access transfer settings, so navigate to savings preference or just select the goal and then tap edit or the gear icon to modify settings. Next, you're going to enable weekend transfers. So just look for an option like transfer schedule or pause on weekends. And if weekend transfers are turned off, you want to switch them on. This tells Digit to save every day, including Saturdays and Sundays. Once that's done, save your changes, and after enabling weekend savings, make sure to save your settings. Digit will now include weekends in its automated transfer schedules. Digit's daily savings strategy becomes more effective when it includes weekends, so keep the momentum going and reach your goals faster. That's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.